Alright.
This is a camera swap on the 24 Greenway Plaza elevators. With Alex McFerren with my TX30.
Hello. Now when we reach lobby, send it up to 20.
Alright.
It's gonna cancel out because you pressed it soon. We got people going on, so I'll let them go. Actually,
No one's coming in.
no one's coming in. Alright.
I'm gonna get a cabbie in the express zone.
I'll get mine when we head to the lobby, when we head down.
Has this been one of your favorite places, Alex?
Yes. Send it to lobby. Wasn't this a fun day we had?
Yes, we did.
There's Jim. Your fixtures.
I guess this place is about to be famous for both of us.
Mm-hmm. Actually, one takes up for one more ride, or you want to end it here?
I guess one more ride and then
I'll send it up to 20.
Okay. These are fast.
Uh-huh.
My ears are popping. Why don't you send it down to the lobby?
Sure. We'll end it there. Door closed doesn't work.
Yes, I know that. There's your airlock right there. I guess I'll get another cab view. This is a nice elevator.
Fixtures.
You're at the lobby. I'm going to watch the door open if there's no people out.
And there it goes. And that concludes it all.